So all of you have used your alien dictionaries to try to learn a word in the alien language. Would anyone like to share the word that they learned and what it means? Or at least what they think it means? No one? This isn't a surprise. Alice, why do you think that no one was able to learn a word in the alien language? That's right. It's because you didn't understand the words and the definitions. And obviously, when looking at a dictionary, it's not going to help to be given a definition if you don't understand the words in the definition. Moving on. Jesus, would you share the description that you and your partner gave of what salt tastes like without using the word salty in it? You couldn't come up with one? That's fine. Does anybody think that they have an adequate description of what salt tastes like? Okay, well, Nikki, why do you suppose that no one was able to come up with an adequate description? So what Nikki is saying is that the taste of salt, along with other things, are one of those things that you have to experience in order to know. It's not something that you can just say what it's like. So what these two activities were designed to do was to give you an idea of what the thing is that mathematicians, logicians, and scientists often call undefined terms. Undefined because either they need to be experienced in order for you to know what they are, or they're used to define something else. And if you didn't already know what they were, then you wouldn't be able to use it to define something else. One of the things in geometry that is considered an undefined term is a point. Now I could explain to you kind of some of the characteristics of what a point is and some of the ways that you could use a point, but there's no definite, concrete definition for what a point is. It's an undefined term. And the important point is that everyone in here knows what one is. They have an idea of what a point is, and everybody's idea of what it is basically the same. Now this is important because that's what an undefined term has to have. First of all, everybody that is using it or reading something that's using it needs to have an understanding of have an idea of what it is. Second of all, they need to have the same idea as everybody else. For example, you take the number 1. Everybody in here knows that the number 1 isn't this. It isn't this. They know that the number 1 is this. And even though it would be hard to describe or to define number 1 without saying a single one or just one of something, without using the word 1 in it or something that means the exact same thing as 1, it's even though we can't define it really, everybody in here knows what it is, and that's what's important. That's the end of my video. Thank you.